The 2026 Aston Martin Vantage represents a significant evolution in the lineage of Aston Martin's performance vehicles, combining modern engineering advancements with the brand's hallmark elegance. Under the hood, the latest Vantage retains the formidable 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which now produces an astonishing 656 horsepower. This power upgrade enables the car to achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in approximately 3.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. Such performance figures underscore Aston Martin's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences while maintaining the refined sophistication expected from a grand touring sports car. In terms of structural dynamics, the 2026 Vantage exhibits remarkable improvements in chassis rigidity and aerodynamics, ensuring superior handling characteristics. The Roadster variant, featuring an innovative Z-fold soft-top mechanism, allows for open-air driving without compromising weight distribution or agility. This convertible system adds a mere 132 pounds to the overall weight and can be deployed in under 7 seconds, even at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. These design elements not only enhance the car's aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency and driving stability, allowing it to perform exceptionally well in both spirited driving and grand touring scenarios. The interior of the 2026 Vantage reflects meticulous craftsmanship, incorporating cutting-edge technology with luxurious materials. The cabin is dominated by a new 10.25-inch infotainment system, which offers an intuitive user experience, enhanced connectivity, and seamless integration with modern digital services. High-quality leather, Alcantara, and bespoke trim options create an environment that is both performance-oriented and indulgently comfortable.